All right. Today, it is currently, what is it? I woke up a little, it's 6 a.m. here in Hawaii. And, well, we're getting started here on YouTube Live. Let's go. Turbo Tuesday, baby. I don't know why I'm, like, so high up here. There we go. Now we're good. All right. So today, the market, the NASDAQ, the QQQ, all making big moves here. You can see right now up to the 282.10 area here. Watching the VWAP here, looking for a reversal. I want to see this thing start to curl back up and rally back to the highs. Let's see what happens. Got a lot of volume up there. We consolidated for quite some time off of that level, that 282 to 283.50 level. So basically, I mean, since like 10 o'clock, we've been at that level. And then we kind of went sideways and now down to the VWAP here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's go. What's poppin'? Good morning or afternoon, wherever you are. It's noon, I guess. It's 12 o'clock on the East Coast. So right now, just kind of sitting back here, waiting and watching. Looking for the next big opportunity here. And I'm just looking for some opportunity, baby. Let's go. I found you. Need some music up in here.
Searching for music for your next video? Then you need to check out our list.
So right now, like I said earlier, looking like that 11,600 level, getting the pullback here. Posted that in the Discord earlier that we were looking for that pullback to the 11,600 on the NQ here. And there we are. We're almost there. We're getting close. So we're right there at the VWAP now. Let's see what's going to happen here if we're going to hold this 11,600 level. This is where we had resistance at earlier this morning as well. So if that previous resistance here, you can see that area resistance there, 11,600 area. If that can turn into support here, yeah, well, I would say it's bullish, baby, bullish. Matthew, how was my weekend? Yeah, it was good, man. Hawaii, living the dream. It's not a bad life. Not a bad life, my friend. Just sitting back here waiting, watching, looking for some opportunity this morning. Get back above that EMA here, above the 640 level. Could be a good sign of reversal. Watching the Qs here. Would I consider trading my full-time job? I would consider that, yeah. Since that's all I do. Wrong one. So looking right now for the Qs, we're bouncing off the VWAP here. We got the VWAP at that 281.70 level here. Is that going to act as support and push us back up here? Right now, looking like it, but let's see if we can get a close to push up kind of above that 282.30. Yeah, I'd say 282 kind of 30 level. Get a push up here. See if that's going to be the beginning of the reversal here. And get this thing moving. Looking at the SPY and the Q's basically setting up or sitting pretty much at the same exact spot right now. Sitting at the same exact spot right here. So the Q's and the SPY all looking tasty, baby, tasty. Things are looking tasty. Right now, the Q, everything, a little trouble there. We got a lot of volume up there. We consolidated for quite some time off of that 282 to 283 level here. A lot of volume up at that price level, so keep an eye on it. Alibaba today up 3%. The other day, look at Alibaba up to 130. What happened the other day? Huh. Alibaba up to 112 the other day and sold off. What was going on there? Tesla up almost 11% on the day. Wowzers. Look at that thing, up to almost 730 in the high today. Talk about a wild ride. Wild ride on Tesla today. Anybody have some call options? Oh. You buy the 675 call options on Tesla this morning. Oh my gosh. Making money, baby. You're new to crypto. I've got a bunch of videos on my channel talking about cryptocurrency, so if you want to learn about crypto, I would start on my channel first. Come on, let's go. I put up a video over the weekend on Saturday. I felt like a pretty good video. Will we get some boner candles today? You never know when a boner candle might just pop up. It's an elusive thing. The beast. Elusive beast. Right now, the SPY, the Q's pulling back here. Watching this 11,600 level on the NASDAQ right now. The 15-minute chart, why is it? Where's the resistance at, you think? The high of day resistance? Or just like, you think this is just the resistance? Check Discord. I'm at Discord. Oh, you're talking about that 15-minute chart on the bigger time frame? Yeah, I mean your lines do line up. Your lines line up there. So right now, just sitting back here, waiting and watching. We got that VWAP right there right now on the Qs. Well, let's see what happens here. It's the middle of the day. It's lunchtime. Might be some just sideways action here for a little bit. Always like it. Like I go live and then the market doesn't move. Oh, $6 million. I think if the NASDAQ can't hold here, it obviously could start to sell off some more. Maybe the Qs move down to the 280 level. Move down to the like 11,550 here. If we can't hold at this 11,600, I think would be the play here. We went straight up this morning, so the market coming straight back down now. Losing the VWAP there now. Uh-oh. The Bears are back. The Bears are back. We'll see what happens here. I'm still not like I wouldn't be like super aggressive getting short here, especially with this previous area of consolidation here, but there could be some meat on the bone. Market's up 2.4% on the day. I'm still thinking we're gotta be bullish here, but we'll see what happens. That's not the VWAP on my chart. You're talking about the line on my chart right here that you're looking at? What are you talking about on Trading View? Huh. On Trading View, my VWAP is... Where's my VWAP at? My VWAP's right here. There's the settings. What should I move that to? I don't really do much. VWAP kind of moves there. Huh. I'm not long or short right now. We're just sitting back. We're waiting. We're watching, looking for an opportunity to get a trade here. But right now the market pulling back. Kind of at a key area that I'm just not sure. Like, do I want to go long? Do I want to go short? It's kind of choppy right now at this level. Kind of just jumping around. Up, down, all around here. So... let's see what happens here. 11,600 had a little dip down there below right now, but can we reclaim it here on the 3-minute chart? Get back above it, get a close above that 11,600 level on the Qs on the NASDAQ. Let's see. What happens? What happens? I'm kind of excited because I just got a new monitor, a 34-inch curved monitor. It came last night. I'm gonna set it up today about 2 months. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful. I think absolutely beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. See if we get to push back above the VWAP here now, holding that 11,600 level. A little bit of like a reversal candle there. So let's see what happens. We can push up the 15-minute chart looking like it wants to kind of do something here. Like it wants to do something, people. I'd like to see this thing get back above the EMAs here. Start to curl back up, break out of this overall downward trend that we're in right now on the 3-minute chart. Get back above this, try to push above that 284 area. If you look on the daily chart, on the bigger picture, looks like 287 would be that next kind of resistance, pushing above that 284 level. So there is good upside potential here if we could push. Volume a little light today, to be honest. This morning had some okay volume, but now volume kind of light through this move here. I guess it's kind of similar to, if you look back at the other days, I mean, I guess it's kind of similar to 12 o'clock on some of the other days here. Well, yeah, it's about the same. Going through the middle of the day here. All right. Can we push? Let's see. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. We're holding right out of the VWAP. This is looking good for the reversal. The 15-minute chart looking good here. I think there's a good possibility we start to push back up here. Just got to hold this 11,600 level on the NASDAQ right now. 11,600. Get pushed. Get back above the EMAs here. Get bullish, baby. Is it too late to look at another stock? No, I guess it's never too late. Never too late. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. We got 14 likes, 54 people watching. Hit that. Let's blow it up, baby. Come on, people. Let's go. Right now, watching here. See if we can push back above that 282 level. The Qs, the NASDAQ, everything trying to push back up. We just bounced kind of off that VWAP area here. So that would be a good overall reversal area. We're kind of at that previous area of resistance, turning that into support. It's like the bulls are back, baby. Let's go. I can see a close on this candle here above that 282 level. And then we can start to think about getting long here. It is 12 o'clock, so we're in the middle of the day here. Might be some sideways action here, but we'll see what happens. Ugh. All right. Market trying to push back up here. Let's give it a little bit more time. Don't want to be too quick to jump in here. They wait to have a good signal that we need to get long. The 15-minute chart looking pretty good here. Setting up nicely on the 15-minute chart right now. We got pretty much a doji candle that closed right at that EMA. I think it's a 21 EMA on the 15-minute chart here. So now we can see what happens. 620 level on the NASDAQ right now. That 282 for the Qs. And we get a push. Can we get a push, boys? See if we can get a push back up here over that 620 level. Just kind of waiting to see to get a breakthrough here. Push up through there. Watching on the Qs right here. Back above the VWAP at the 282 level now. Can she push? Market's up 2.6% on the day. We'll see if we can get some action here. Just kind of waiting and watching. Got the VWAP right now at the 282 level here. We're just kind of sitting right there. The bull's trying to get going again and push this thing higher over the 620s on the NASDAQ.
Searching for music for your next video?
Oh no.
Then you need to check out Artlist.
Fucking ad. She's trying to push. I think she's trying to push here. Just putting that out there. Also, I'll put a link in the description here. There's a link in the description or in the chat box for a free Discord. Check it out. You guys can come join us, talk about all that hot stuff. Right now, the market trying to push up here. I think we're gonna push, baby. Have I made any money on this stock before? Gary, yes. I think you're confused what we're doing here. We're making money every day, Gary. Right now, just kind of watching, waiting to see what happens here. I want to see a good kind of little push up here before getting long. See a push over the 282s on the Q. Having some trouble right there. Testing the VWAP again here. Hey, everybody. Hey, Grace. How's it going? Let's go. All right, let's see. It needs to kind of push up here. Get above that 620 level right here. Waiting. We're watching. We're waiting. We're watching. I'm looking for a push over the 620s. Right there at the EMAs right now on the 3-minute chart. Looking at the 3-minute chart on the IronBeam platform right here. kind of just having trouble here right now, consolidating. It's consolidating, boys. Just gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. I would not short here, based on my opinion. We're like right at the VWAP right now. Like this is just not a spot I want to be shorting at. We have this previous area of consolidation at that 281 area, so I mean, if you're gonna be, I think it's a little late to be shorting here for this move right now. There's a better, I think there's a better chance that this pushes up than it goes down. Maybe we pull back 281 level here, but I still don't think we're gonna go down that much further here. But I have been wrong in the past. That's the great thing about trading, is if you see an opportunity, you can take the opportunity no matter what. Even if someone else doesn't see the same opportunity, you can still take it. No one's gonna stop you from shorting, and no one's gonna stop me from getting long. I just think it's like it's too much of a 50-50 right here in terms of it going up or down. I think I'm leaning more towards it going up, since we're at multiple time frames or at the EMAs right now. We got the VWAP, you know, we're not overextended to the upside. We're not, you know, I think it's looking pretty good for a push. Problem is it might not come for a little bit. Might keep just going sideways here. Or I might just not get, I never get a push. Might just go sideways the rest of the day. The market's already up 2.6% on the day. Can we push up here? Ugh. Get back above the 282s here. Come on, let's see it. Kind of grinding around here. Grinding around here.
What if I told you that you
Oh, why do I get so many fucking ads on this thing right now? I like never get ads on that, but it now gets ads constantly. So right now holding here. Oh my gosh, the battle is real. Look at this battle right now. The Bears, the Bulls are battling it out here at this level right now, trying to figure out if it's going to go up, if it's going to go down. That 620 level, that 600 level. The shorts are trying. The bulls are trying to hold here. Watching it. The battle is real. I think we keep consolidating here for long enough. We're gonna get a push up. The bulls try to get this thing going. If we can hold the 11,600 level, I think we can squeeze up here. Let's see. Can push up here. Oh. Oh man, it's like literally just a battle right here. I feel like if I go short right now, it's gonna end up spiking back up. If I go long, it's gonna end up crashing. So I'm staying out of it for now. I'm gonna wait to see something happen out of this move here. All right, looks like we're gonna break to the downside here. See, we're gonna retest that kind of lower, this area here. The low on that candle was 11,588. Let's go, Armand. Yeah, I mean, the 15-minute chart, everything's looking pretty good, to be honest. We're using, this is the IronBeam app right now we're looking at here. Trading on the IronBeam. Look at that push back up. I don't know, man. I'm thinking it's looking bullish, boys. Pushing back up with vengeance here. This is why I don't want to get short. Just that choppy kind of action right now. We haven't really gotten like a clear break up or down. We're just kind of chopping around this area right here. So I am not in any trades. Waiting for an opportunity here. Definitely. Oh, look at that battle right now. Getting a serious battle here. It's a battle, boys. Oh, it's like you might as well just flip a fucking coin right now. Flip a coin at this point. Heads or tails? Heads or tails, boys. Heads or tails. If it's gonna push here. Oh, it's looking like she wants to push up here. We got this area, this kind of 280, 230 level. I'd say like a little bit of resistance there right now. So we see if we push through that level here, get going over the 282s. Still having trouble here, 282 right now. Not wanting to push above there. Getting that sideways action. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Put your little mouse, move your little mouse right on over there and hit that like button. Move on over, put that little mouse. Let's get some likes popping off in here. All right, let's see if we can start pushing up here. What's gonna happen? Got 18 seconds left on this candle. Can it push, get a close above that 282 here? 15 seconds, 10 seconds. Sitting right there at 281.96 right now. Can she push? Over, look at that, just stuck there. It's not moving. Okay, now it moved. Into the close there. Need to do a tutorial video on how to hit the like button. It seems like it. No love, no support. The SPY is looking like it's pushing. The Nasdaq's kind of lagging here. Not sure which way it wants to go. Get above that 280, 230 level here on the Qs. Start to squeeze up. Is it possible? Is it possible? Sheesh. 282, come on. You can see right now, just pretty much just like chopping around this area right here. Get above kind of this area here. We can get moving again. Definitely think we're gonna push now though. Kind of making that higher low off that 11,600 level here. And there's that push up. Beautiful. Up there now, 282.30 area, looking for a push up there. We should push up there and then see what happens at that point. I'd say everything's pretty much lining up perfectly here to get a move higher, so. The wind is at our back. The sun is in our face. The wind is at our back. The waves are pushing us higher, baby. Get above this 282.30 level. Trying to push up here, trying to push up. Oh, the battle is real. The battle is real, boys. So you push to this 282.30 level here. 282.30 on the Qs now. Get moving. She's trying, like, funny how it's just like barely moving right now. It's pushing, but it's like barely moving. I don't love it. I don't love it. That's for sure. Don't love it there. Pulling back to the VWAP again here. Pushing right back up. Oh gosh. We're up, we're down, we're all around. We're trading the NASDAQ, we're trading the Qs. This is the Q that we're looking at right now, Qs. Bouncing again off the VWAP there, 282s. Can we get pushing again? Can we get pushing here? Get over that 282.30 level. That's what we're looking for. 282.30 level for the Qs to push up here. Right now having a little bit of trouble there. I gotta turn the fan on. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So I'm using a bunch of different indicators. There's videos on my channel. If you want to learn, you can go check them out. Right now, watching here on the MNQ. We just need to like get a bigger move here. This choppy price action, it'll just chop you up, man. It just chops you up. Just chops you up, man. I'm just chopping it up right here. The high on that last candle was 282.26, 288, 282.26, 282.28. So, see if we can get a push above this now. Making a move here. Get to making a move. It's currently almost 1 o'clock, 12:45, lunchtime here. A little midday consolidation before getting that big old squeeze to the moon, boys. Can she push it? No, I think if you look at the it's a little bit of a bear. It looks like a bear flag on the 15-minute chart, but if you look at the smaller time frame, if you look at the bigger time frames right now, I just think we're kind of bouncing off previous resistance. I'm waiting to get in on a trade, not a bet. No gambling, just trading. I'd say this is kind of typical price action, middle of the day here, you know, just kind of battling the bears and the bulls. We're right there at the VWAP right now. I mean, we're looking good. We had a big move up this morning. We need some consolidation. Before making a move higher here. Just need to hold that VWAP. stocks. Why beans? Why are they eating beans, Roy? Oh! Woo! Watching this level here. Can we push? You can see right now at that. I mean, this is 3-minute candle, so we've basically just been kind of chopping around here. The suspense, it's killing me. I mean, at this point, it's pretty much like you might as well just even if you're short, you're just like, well, I might as well wait to see what happens here. Like, I don't really think there's any reason to get short. I don't really think there's a reason to get long here. Maybe get a short below the 11,600 level and then get a long above the 11,630. So it's kind of what I'm watching on the NQ right now. We need to break this level. Definitely looking like she wants to, though. I mean, this is starting to almost make another higher low here. With higher low there, higher low here, higher low. I didn't say I was getting short, Junior. Junior? Oh my gosh, just do something. I woke up late this morning and I haven't really done much. Just been kind of sitting here waiting for a break. But we just haven't really got it. Haven't really got that break yet. Whew. I mean, just because you think the market's going to go down and you look at something and you think like, oh, that looks like a short, doesn't mean it's going to go down and make it a good short. That's the issue here. Is we're just kind of at that level that it could really rip up here. I like to stick to my rules, you know. I like to short below the VWAP, and I like to stay bullish above the VWAP. Right now, we are above the VWAP, so I'm staying looking for opportunities long. Maybe there's a short here in a little bit, but right now. You got the SPY, you got the NASDAQ, you got everything lining up support-wise. So until that support gets sold and we lose that support, I'm not getting short, that's for sure. That's for sure. I would not get short. I mean, we're kind of like making a higher low here, to be honest. I mean, this is like 281.91. This was the low is 281.53. This is the low is 281.29. Look at the 15-minute chart. We're like right there. Oh man. What's the name of the strategy? Buy low, sell high. Why not trade the triple leverage? I'm trading futures. Ronald, we're trading futures here. We're just looking at the queue. We're looking at the queue because it's just that's what I do, but trying to push up here now. Let's see, can she go above that 282.30 level? Still grinding higher. It's not getting a big explosion that we're hoping for. We're looking for. We want that explosion, baby. Give me a big old boner candle to the upside here. Show me the bulls are back. Show me the bulls are in control, baby. I want to see them flying high. I want to see those high flying bulls, baby. 282.33 breaking now. Can we keep pushing? 282.50 up next. All right, pushing up there, 282.36 now. Can we push? And there, market is asleep right now, taking a break, little nap, little midday nap. Little midday nap here. Let's see if this volume comes up here. The SPY, the S&P 500, trying to push up a lot more than the NASDAQ right now. So if the NASDAQ can get moving here, looking like some clear blue skies for sailing today, for flying high, fly back up there to the all-time highs. I've never used the Sierra chart. Nope. The battle is real right now, boys. The battle is real. The battle is absolutely real right now. 282.30s once again here. 282.27 trying to push up there, but just having trouble. The Bears, the Bulls. $282.30 once again. Looking for that push up 282.50. I want to see some bullish action here. Thanks, Robert. Yeah, I mean, I'm buying one Solana every day, baby. It's like buying a coffee, basically, at this point. Just buying a coffee every day. Getting some volume coming up here, but just not pushing. Got more volume on these last two candles, but we haven't really moved. That's telling me that there could be there's a big old boner candle to come, baby. There's a big old explosion here. Can we get it? $1 million question. The $1 million man with the $1 million plan. The SPY's pushing. Like, the SPY right now is pushing. The NASDAQ is lagging. I'd say the SPY is making a move right here. Trying to push back up there. 375 on the SPY. She's pushing. The NASDAQ's kind of just lagging here. See if the SPY just squeezes up here at 376 level. Oh my gosh, this chop right now. Look at this stuff. Just kind of waiting for something to actually get moving here. And give me a candle that's actually got some movement on it. Freaking battle right here. Mm-hmm. 282.20 right now. Trying to see what can happen here. We made that higher low, higher low, higher low here. We need to start making some pushes. Let's go. This market doesn't know what it wants to do. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It's fucked. It's the battle, the Bears, the Bulls. It's 1 o'clock. I don't know what to do. Do I steep? I don't like this price action. I don't like it at all. Might go work on some other stuff until maybe later on, end of the day. Let's see what happens here. Oh man, it's like the battle. Once again, just kind of chopping around here. It's been chopping around since basically about an hour ago. We've been chopping around here. Just that middle of the day action right now. That's what I don't like. I don't like that action, baby. This is why I trade the mornings. That, give me that quick, give me that hot, give me that action right in the morning. Look at this thing in the morning. Out of the open. You guys get this candle out of the open here? Oh my gosh, look at that. From the 500s up there to the 560s. All the way up there to 650. Kind of got choppy after that. About 10:30, it got choppy the rest of the day. So, market just consolidating there. She gonna pull back here? She gonna pull back? 11,600 area there, so keep an eye on it. There's a little pullback here. Market is not showing strength to want to push up here, even though everything's lining up. It's funny because the SPY's definitely showing more strength to push up to the upside, but the NASDAQ just having trouble trying to push through those levels. So the pullback, and here's the drop here. Back down to the 11,600 level now. Kind of see what happens here. Let's bounce around. I got some stuff I got to do. I got a new monitor. I got to set up a new computer today and all that. So I might just spend some time doing that while the market kind of figures out which way it wants to go. And then I'll look for an opportunity maybe end of day after power hour, 3 o'clock or so, if we start to get better action. But right now, I don't really love this choppy action. You know, maybe I can make a trade. Maybe I can get short. Maybe, you know, maybe. But it's not happening right now. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. We tried to get it in, but market just not giving us the opportunity here. So the last hour just basically going sideways there. Oh man, come on. Back to the VWAP now. Chop, chop, chop city. So stay alive, my friends. Stay alive. Be careful. Don't go do anything I wouldn't do. I don't really know what I wouldn't do, but don't do it. Stay alive. All right, all right. Big thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow morning we'll be live 9:30 a.m. Look at that, push right back up. So look, I mean, that's literally just a chop, chop, choppy. So we'll see. I'm kind of interested to see what happens here end of day. If we'll push above the highs up to the 11,700 area here on the NQ today. Will it happen? Right now, just kind of chop, chop, chop. So, like I said, you know, it's like I could take a trade, but it's just look at the outcome there. What do you do? You know? I don't know. I'm just gonna walk away. I think it's better just to walk away. I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm gonna be disciplined. Be disciplined. Stick to my to the rules. I'm like watching it and I'm like, oh, now is it gonna crack and break below 11,600 here? I feel like the minute that I get short, if I get short right now, it's gonna end up spiking back up. So I'm not gonna do it. My finger, I got some serious FOMO right here. FOMO is real. I can feel the FOMO. Finger, should I do it? Sell? Sell? I'm not gonna do it. I agree with you, Ronald. Better to not take a trade than take a bad trade. So don't do it, everybody. Don't do it. They all said don't do it. all right, I won't do it. I won't do it. Look at that, it popped back up. Just like I said, I would have got short, it would have popped back up and got me right there. If you guys haven't already, we have a new Discord. It's in right here. I put a link in the chat box. Corey, it did not crash. Relax. Going down literally 1 point is not a crash. It is not a crash. But yeah, if you guys want to check out the Discord, we got 290 people there. It's totally free. You can come talk about stocks and all that fun stuff in the Discord. I'll put a link in the chat box. But Corey got a little too excited saying that he called the big dump. Crash within 10 minutes. Come on. Let's not get too excited. We're still at the VWAP there. There's still a lot of stuff going on here at this level, so. And then look at that. I said, oh, if I would have got short right there, look at it. It just popped right back up. I should have got long. I'm just gonna close my eyes and just flip a coin at this point. That's pretty much all you're doing with this type of action. Flip a coin. I'm just flipping coins over here, boys. Look at it. Push literally right like I said. I said I was gonna, if I go short down there, that it would end up popping back up. And look at that. It popped back up. It went back up. I should have listened to myself. I should have done exactly what I thought it would have done. Instead of getting short, I should have got long. Damn you, Corey. You told me it was gonna crash, and now it's going back up. Oh my, come on. Wow. Literally, that's a bit frustrating. I really wish I would have gotten long there. Should have taken my own advice. It took me like a few days. I mean, it was, if you applied on Saturday, the market was closed yesterday, so I'm sure they'll reach out to you today. Don't worry. They got you. Look at that. Oh my fucking God. God fucking fuck. Fuck me. Look at this thing. Are you kidding me right now? Come on, guys. Are you fucking kidding me? I can't believe that. I can't believe that thing just fucking rallied like that. Ugh. Corey, what happened? I thought you said it was gonna crash. You called the crash. You called the crash. I thought you called it. I like when people get like really excited that they called out the crash, and then it just reverses like that. And there we go, pushing back up now to the 33s. Would have been a nice little long opportunity. I mean, I wouldn't say it was a 50-50. I was leaning a lot more towards the bullish side. Well, there you go. Look at that thing. I'm definitely not gonna FOMO into this now. Although it might just keep running to the moon. The SPY breaking out, the NASDAQ trying to push back up here now, so. Dark Shadow. Corey blew my account. Oh no. That order, that is not a real order there. Oh wow, 41s now. I literally said when the market was here at the 608, so I was like, if I short right now, this market's gonna rip to the moon. And there it went. Fuck me. That's a bit frustrating to say the least. I will be honest, sometimes it's a little, sometimes I feel like what happens is the, you know, people are in the chat and they're talking about like, oh, I think this is a short. I start second guessing myself and I'm like, fuck, like, what if they think this is a short? What am I seeing wrong? And I'm looking at my charts, like if there's like people in the chat that are talking about shorting and I'm thinking about getting long, why is it that they're the opposite of me? Why is it that they're thinking differently than I am? And then I end up not taking the trade that I should have taken. I gotta stop reading the chat box. That's my issue. It's always been my issue with the live streams. Don't read the chat box, Patrick. Do not read the chat box. New rule. I'm gonna just get rid of the chat. Yeah, it was a terrible idea to short. All right, so it's 1:15 right now. I think I'm going to take a little break. And then I'll come back here maybe 3 o'clock. See if I can get some trades in later today. But right now, it's kind of sitting back. I definitely don't want to FOMO into this move now. So 282.44 again on the Qs, the SPY, everything trying to push up here. Oh, Corey, he's shorting Ethereum. Oh. You're talking about, you're focusing on cryptocurrency shorting. A totally different fucking market. What in the fuck? Oh, God. Oh, yeah. New rule. Don't listen to anything that Corey says. I'm just kidding, but kind of. It'd be like saying like I was trading AMC and AMC was going down, so I just thought the whole market was gonna go down. Story of the day, lesson of the day. Ethereum and the SPY are not correlated. Hey, it's all about learning something new every day, boys. Every day we like to learn something new, you know. Corey, we love you. We got to give you shit. It's funny. It's all in good humor. No, we're all just, you know, it's basically be like if we're all sitting at the office right now. Let's say we're all working at a hedge fund, you know, we're all sitting around and somebody had a funny idea like that, and you know, we got to give you shit either way. So, welcome to the boys club, you know? Yeah, I mean, we're just not really getting that follow through. It's the middle of the day, and I'm gonna walk away here and save my money for another day of opportunity. Right now, just kind of chopping around here. It might take some time, you know, it's 1:15 right now. Maybe we kind of get some action, you know, later on today. We'll see what happens. But there it is. We'll see what happens. I still think that cryptocurrency can go lower from where it is now, and I don't think Corey's wrong to think about shorting. I think Ethereum can definitely go lower. Bitcoin, my goal or my ideal target for Bitcoin would be like $10,000. I would love to see Bitcoin at like the $10,000 area. So I definitely don't think we're at the bottom on crypto just yet. I don't think we're at the bottom for the market, stock market either. So we'll see what happens. It should be an interesting week of action here in the markets. 4-day week. Should be some fun stuff. Should be some fun stuff later at some point here. Market literally just broke out this morning to the upside and then ran up here and got stuck. And we've pretty much just kind of gone sideways in this little bit of a channel from the 600s up to the 70 level. So right now, kind of higher lows, higher lows. Can she keep pushing? Just grinding higher. Not really getting the moves that we want, but still kind of grinding. So, if you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.